So, if you have enjoyed this teaser, then you should visit the Land of the Legends in the Antalya region of Turkey, which is an incredibly huge amusement park full of thrilling water rides and daredevil roller coasters which can lift your spirits up from 0 to 100 in a whiff. So, come here and unleash the child inside yourself completely. The price for an all-day ticket is $52, which includes unlimited rides for the day in both the aqua park and adventure park. The Lands of the Legend is quite far away from the central districts of the Antalya city, which is why I hired a private car service which included a pickup and drop from my hotel to the Lands of the Legends. Since the morning, it had been raining cats and dogs in Antalya, which had led to the cancellation of most of the water rides out there, unfortunately. So, the onus of providing the right thrill, adventure and excitement rested on the amazing roller coasters of this adventure park, which I was about to engage soon with.
Welcome guys to the Lands of the Legends. It is one of the largest theme park which you will come across, and I'm visiting here for the roller coaster ride. Apparently the sky is very cloudy and it had rain in the morning, so some of the aspects of the roller coasters may not be working, but let's see how it goes as the day progresses. Weirdo. Some crazy nuts here. There's some really crazy nuts here. Oh my god. Wow. Very nice one, huh? Russian Johnny Johnny, yes papa. So I'm here for the roller coasters ride, guys. This is going to be fun. Going on the roller coaster is any day of fun. And there are some really good roller coasters here. I have to check out like which one is the best one, which I should go for first itself. Oof.
Hear that, Mr. Anderson? That is the sound of inevitability.
Ooh. Ooh. So this is what I went through to give you another perspective. Yeah. Yes, so now comes the super, super. Isn't it so, mister? Isn't it super? one, man. Good one. Good one.
No, don't push the button! Don't push the button! Let me out! Let me out! Win, it's all right.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Yes! Guys, it has been a great fun going around here, doing all the roller coasters and all the rides, and all the roller coasters are superbly amazing, including this one where you have to go through a splash of water, and the blue one over there, that's the best. That's the hyper coaster. This is the typhoon coaster, and it was stunning, man.
You know, he just might not make it back. Keep sending him up.
What is that?
The fun of gliding in the plane. Actually, this one ride is important because it gives you a very nice aerial view of the lands of the legend. So I did this one particularly to get a good nice aerial view of the lands of the legends.
Directly above him. How could you see him?
Because I was inverted.
Shit. very lucky that I did the rides at the right time when there was not too many people and the sun was a little bit shining. But right now it's very cloudy and it has started drizzling over here. So some of the rides may be not operational anymore, but we are gonna take a quick tour. So this was the Mega Hyper Coaster, which is the best ride here, guys. Save it for your finale and gain some adrenaline rush from the same, and once you get it, then you can just take that rush everywhere else. So here you have these games for which you have to pay some extra liras like 10 or 20, and if you win you can get a great prize. And this is a very long one. This ride takes around good 4 to 5 minutes and it's gonna grill you like a bacon. Yeah! These guys are gonna be grilled like a sausage and a bacon very soon. And this goes on and on and on and on and on and on. Let's watch them, guys. This is what happened to me a little while back. I have the video in the GoPro. I will share with you guys soon. This is fun, guys. This is sick fun. Unfortunately, the rains have begun over here, and thank God I have completed all my rides, so I can enjoy my time at the water pool soon. You can dance, we can also dance. What else to do? If you have nothing to do, you can only dance on the rains. Crazy, guys. Nothing else to do now. Everything is washed off thanks to these rains. We have nothing to do but to pack our bags and get back home. It's still raining, and apparently we have to call this day off because it is raining and the rides are getting called off and on again and again. So it is technically an off, so I'll be getting back to my hotel now.